Put him behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. No. I'm hit! I'm hit!
Stop! Stop! Put the knife down! Stop! Put the knife down, please! Put the knife down!
On August 20th, 2024, what began as a routine beach interaction quickly spiraled into chaos when Liam Mahoney refused to provide identification and challenged officers over access laws.
I'm not going to ask you too many more times. You're not free. You're not free to leave.
Am I being detained?
You are, and you take another step, you'll be arrested. I promise you. I promise you.
Was I surfing?
Yeah. Just come here.
No. You can talk to Harry Hartson about this.
Talk to whoever you want about it. Talk to me right now.
I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm in the ocean.
Okay. We're not a beach badge though, so we need your information.
Because I'm not on the beach. You're allowed to access the water to surf or to fish.
You are.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you don't need a beach badge for that.
You need a beach badge to get up to this beach.
Not
This is a free beach. I'm not going to argue with you. You're going to provide your name and information?
No.
After this transaction's done, I'll email you the free access law, and I'll also email you Title 40, which regulates the municipalities to charge for the beach. Okay?
Great.
For the time being, we need your information.
You need to
No?
go.
Okay. 726-52. You're not free to go.
All right. Good call on the road.
What started as a calm exchange soon escalated into a heated confrontation, with Mahoney insisting he was within his rights while officers issued repeated warnings.
I have one on your arrest for 19 and Drop the report.
Sir,
Drop the surfboard.
do not
Drop the surfboard. Drop the surfboard. Drop the
Sir,
surfboard.
you're illegally
Drop
arresting
the
me.
surfboard.
You're
Drop
illegally
the
arresting
surfboard.
me. Whoa,
Put your
Hey,
hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. That's gonna be another charge. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Stop! Don't
Put your hands.
No way!
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong? What did I do
This is
wrong?
ridiculous.
What did I do wrong?
This is
Fighting with
ridiculous.
police.
What
Put
did
your
I
hands
do
behind your
wrong?
back.
Bro,
Put your hands behind your back.
what did I do wrong, bro? That's my fucking badge. I walked up to the shower, dude.
Why are
Put your
you
hands behind your back.
arresting him?
Bro, stop.
Tensions reached a breaking point when commands were ignored, leading to a forceful takedown as bystanders reacted, and the scene grew increasingly volatile.
Dude, I have my badge right
Dude, his
there.
badge is right here.
19th boardwalk. Still resisting.
Why did he have to give his name? He's not
Please let go of me.
What do you
You are literally,
10 more cops
bro,
and
you are not allowed to
do
do
what?
this.
Dude, his badge is right
You are
here.
not allowed to do
Throw
this.
it down
Please
the
stop.
street.
Okay?
Stop fucking choking
Get her back.
Stop!
Get her back.
Don't fucking touch him. Stop!
Put your hand behind your back. Put him behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. No.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
Get on the radio.
Hey, call Harry Hartson, please. I have a fucking badge.
Why would you fucking choke him? Because he doesn't have a badge. It's right here.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I have a badge. I'm not letting you arrest me, bro.
Why
Hey, stop!
Get off of him!
Ah, fucking assholes!
No, that's what happened. You know, this is what happened.
This guy's a fucking jerk.
Get off of him!
Hey, your career is done. Your career is done, bro.
Hey, we got it too.
Dude, I have a fucking beach badge, bro.
Right! You're fucking freaking all of us out. We all fucking live here. Look what
Bro,
you're
can
doing.
you please stop? You got these things so tight on me, man.
You're hurting.
Can you please fucking loosen it just a hair, dude? Come on, you're being ridiculous.
Clear the walkway.
I was walking to the fucking shower.
Get all of it. I want to know know where the head of the police department is.
Can you please fucking get off me, dude?
Why you guys? He's like, you should have
Yo, can you loosen it a little bit, bro? You're cutting my wrist.
We're getting up, walking straight off.
Sir, can you please
Katie, clear that.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
a little bit?
Clear the stairs.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
loosen one of my
You're an idiot. Oh my God.
bro?
Wait.
Can you please give me, dude? My hands are fucking cutting off the circulation.
Should have thought of that before you fought with us for 5 minutes.
Oh my God.
I was going to the shower. I had a beach badge. You're being ridiculous, bro. Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, you're under arrest for obstruction. Failure to produce speech badge. I just got here, so control yourself, all right?
Dude, can one of you please loosen my right wrist? I have.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir, I do not.
You have nothing on you at all?
I have nothing. I have a bar of wax in my wetsuit.
Face the car.
Can you
Spread your legs.
please?
Face the car, spread your legs.
Can you please fucking loosen it a little bit, sir?
What's that?
It's a bar of wax. I just told you.
Hey, have a seat.
Can you please, sir? I'm begging you at this point.
Have a seat.
please.
There you go. All right.
In the end, Liam Mahoney was taken into custody and charged with obstruction of administration of law, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. The San Antonio Police Department released a critical incident video to provide details about an officer-involved shooting that took place on January 22, 2025, in the Stone Oak Parkway. The caller, an adult male, indicated he was suicidal and stated that he was armed.
San Antonio 911, this is Liliana. Do you need police, fire, EMS?
Probably the police. I'm over here at apartments at Stone Oak, right by the golf course. I'm fixing to shoot myself. They better be careful. I have high-powered rifles and everything. If they come at me, I'm coming at them.
While officers were organizing their response in a nearby parking area, a second 911 call came in.
San Antonio 911, do you need police or an ambulance?
I need the police. Emergency, hurry. My son has my gun and he's outside. He's shooting.
Officers immediately responded to the scene. Just before 8:30 p.m., as they approached the breezeway of the apartment complex, the suspect opened fire. One officer was struck and had to be rushed to a nearby hospital in a patrol vehicle driven by a fellow officer.
I'm hit!
An Eagle helicopter monitoring the situation from above provided crucial updates, informing officers that the suspect was hiding behind a truck near the building.
And where are you at? We're at the building in front of his.
Again pointing his weapon toward the helicopter.
Eagle, he is in the back of that building pointing the gun at me. He's in the...
Before retreating back inside his apartment. Once inside, the suspect began firing from a window, striking additional officers. At least one officer returned fire during the exchange. Multiple injured officers were transported to local hospitals by both EMS and fellow officers. A perimeter was quickly established around the apartment complex as SWAT teams were called in.
As soon as you come in, it's going to be towards building 10. He's shooting outside the window. We got 2 officers shot. We need that armor in front of that window.
Body camera footage from responding officers later showed the moment a second group of officers came under fire.
Obstruction. You're moving backwards.
As SWAT units arrived, the suspect again opened fire from inside the apartment, though fortunately, no SWAT officers were injured during this phase. SWAT officers, using armored vehicles and elevated positions, attempted several tactics to establish communication and resolve the situation peacefully. After hours of unsuccessful negotiations and repeated gunfire from the suspect, officers ultimately discharged their weapons, striking him. Due to the tactical positioning during the operation, SWAT body cameras did not capture the exact moment the suspect was shot. Throughout the incident, the suspect continued firing at officers from within the apartment. Firearms believed to have been used by the suspect were later recovered at the scene. The individual was identified as 46-year-old Brandon Scott Poulos, who was pronounced dead at the location. A vehicle had been seen driving erratically along a walking trail before crashing into Woodlawn Lake, nearly striking several pedestrians in the process. A San Antonio Park police officer arrived at the scene and observed the vehicle partially submerged in the water. As she approached, nearby witnesses informed her that one person was still inside.
There's a guy. It's him? That's him?
Yep, that's it.
Moments later, a man emerged from the vehicle. The officer repeatedly asked if he was okay and whether anyone else remained inside. The man responded that he was fine and that he had been alone in the car. As he moved toward the lakeshore, the officer advised him to be cautious and to hold on to the vehicle for support.
Is there anyone in the vehicle with you? Careful, careful, careful! Just hold on to the car. Keep making your way, okay? Yeah. Is there anyone else in the vehicle?
Once the man reached the grassy area near several bystanders, the officer noticed a knife protruding from his pocket. She immediately ordered him to drop the weapon. Instead, the man pulled out the knife, pointed it at the officer, and began walking toward her.
Careful. All right. Okay, hold on. You have a knife in your pocket, buddy. Put it down. Throw 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 it down.
The officer continued issuing clear commands for him to drop the knife, while simultaneously broadcasting over the radio that she was confronting an armed individual advancing in her direction.
9351 Alpha. I got one at gunpoint. He's got a knife. He's coming towards me. Put down the knife. Put down the knife, please. I don't want to shoot you. What's going on? Stop! 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 Put the knife down! Stop! Put the knife down, please! Put the knife down!
Despite repeated warnings, the man continued to approach. The situation escalated as the suspect refused to comply, maintaining the weapon in a threatening manner. Fortunately, no officers or bystanders were injured during the incident. Authorities later recovered the knife at the scene, and it was confirmed that no other individuals had been inside the vehicle. Emergency medical services arrived shortly after and provided life-saving assistance to the suspect. The individual was identified as 30-year-old Chase Decker Thomas. He was transported to a local hospital and subsequently charged with aggravated assault against a police officer.